A production of Tạ Đăng Quang, Vũ Quang Khải, and Vũ Tuấn Đạt. What can Google Assistant Siri help people now?
Hello everyone, I'm Đăng Quang from Team 2 and my team has 3 members, me, Vũ Quang Khải, and Vũ Tuấn Đạt. And in this video we will talk about how Siri and Google Assistant help us in our real life. First, what is Siri and Google Assistant? They are virtual assistants which can perform tasks or services for an individual based on our question. And there are lots of virtual assistants around the world, and we can talk about Bixby from Samsung, or Cortana from Microsoft, or Alexa from Amazon, etc. But in this video, we only focus on two most internationally well-known virtual assistants is Siri from Apple and Google Assistant from Google.
These two AI assistants are getting more intelligent than ever before. First things first, one of the most popular tasks for Siri is making calls and sending messages. Without lifting a hand, you can order Siri to contact to everyone in your contact list effortlessly.
Hey Siri. Cô Quang.
Calling Quang.
On the other hand, Google can also do the similar task as Siri, but it requires you just one more step to allow the assistant to make the calls or sending messages like this.
Cô Quang.
Calling Quang.
Secondly, the two AI assistants can have arranged your day, setting alarms, reminders, getting directions, news, or weather updates, to name a few, as some of the most useful tasks that Google and Siri can do to make your day just easier.
Hey Siri, what's my update?
Good morning, Jumi. It's currently sunny and 72 degrees. Your first event is at 11 a.m. Gallery visit. You have one upcoming reminder. Call Zoe.
For Siri, with integrated hardware called Neural Engine, Siri can even play music according to your taste, your emotion, or even create your own favorite music album, just like the guy in this video.
Hey Siri, play the song that goes, Feeling Good Never Stressed.
Here's Sunday Best by Surfaces.
Getting entertained using AI is becoming more convenient. Google Assistant provides users with music from YouTube and Spotify, and especially YouTube. It is a more diverse source of music and it's all free, which is a bonus point for Google.
Play some music from YouTube.
Okay, playing recommended YouTube videos.
There must be some time that you need to quickly check out a fact, but imagine you go Google and type the questions. It wastes a lot of your time. But there's another solution. You will just ask Siri or Google Assistant. With Google, it provides users with real-time answers on finance, sports, or weather. Siri, with integrated neural engines, can even answer you faster. It can do math, translate, and even let you know the song that you have recently heard.
Hey Siri. Any update on soccer?
Which league? Australia A-League. Campeonato. There are 16 Champions League matches Wednesday through next Thursday. Dynamo Kiev plays Bayern Munich on Wednesday at 0:45. Villarreal faces Manchester United on Wednesday at 0:45. Lille battles Salzburg.
Last but not least, what can be better when you have a smart home and an assistant to help you control your home? Adjust the temperatures, lightings, lock the door, or leave a message for other family members are just some of wonderful tasks that you can do with your home through an AI assistant.
Hey Siri, good morning.
Good morning. The scene is set.
To control multiple accessories with a single voice command.
Hey Siri, good morning.
Good morning. The scene is set.
To control multiple accessories with a single voice command.